Hey guys, let me get on the road. Oh, thank you, Mr. Trucker Man. Okay. Just got out doing the laundry. Oh my God. My hair is soaking wet. But thanks to my little laundry bag, I didn't have to worry about change. And digging through my pockets. I like it. I said I like it. Don't you pull off in front of me. Good thing. Okay, let's see. Well, I didn't put out a video yesterday because I have tunnel vision, and I was working on a project trying to get it done, and it was like dark before I realized it was dark, and I ain't doing an outdoor video in the dark. That's just not going to happen. So what I planned to do today was, while I was doing my laundry, I was gonna get the stuff out of the back of the van, wherever it might be. Hell, I don't even know. I might just go buy some more stuff. But I need to find my alien tape and my white tape I used to tape up my broken windows. So I figured, hey, I got broken windows anyway. I will just run the cord right through the back one there and tape that sucker up. Tape it up. Yep, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I want to find they say by tomorrow. What is today? What is today? Is today the 19th or 20th? I don't know, on some weather thing, and they said it's supposed to, with the heat index, it's supposed to be 20 degrees warmer than it usually is this time in August. That's it. Oh, geez. Just when I looked at the weather last night, I'm thinking, that's a little warm to sleep out in the van. Yeah, I got to be careful now, guys. I'm scared. I'm scared, until I get over this, whatever it was that hit me. I'm still nervous about sleeping outside. Anyway, what was I talking about? Oh, I was gonna do that last night, and then I was gonna look for the stuff while I was doing the laundry so I could get two things done at once, but it's too hot. So I don't know where to go. I guess I'll go back to Dave's house, because if I stay out in the van, I gotta run my air, okay? Poor Sammy was just dying. The short time. I had both windows down all the way, so don't think I was an asshole and leave the windows open that much. But he was not happy. He was happy to be in the van. He almost broke my neck getting out the door. So he's happy to be in the van. He really is. He's happy. He's in his little seat. So, I am not gonna go shopping right now. I will have to leave him at the house and go later tonight. Yeah. What was I gonna do? Oh, yeah. I originally planned to stop at Crystal and go to the bathroom. And, well, I got talking to you guys, went right by it. Went right by. So, oh, the air feels nice. Air feels nice. So, hey, update on Dave. He gets to go see the doctor next week, and the doctor will see if he needs to stay in the cast for a few more weeks, or he can go to a walking cat, whatever. I don't know. But he's excited about going to the doctor. So he's doing good. Patty's doing good. She's a trooper, man. She just goes to town on everything she does. I mean, there's no half-ass playing around with her. So I thought that's one reason I took my laundry to the laundromat. She wants to do my laundry. No, and you're not gonna. We rigged this thing up. We got the clothes basket and we tied a rope around both handles. Okay, so it's like a pulley, you know, we can send things upstairs and downstairs, and she sends things airmail if they're not going to break, so she just throws it down. I love it. And we use it like a pulley to get things upstairs, but sometimes the basket doesn't want to cooperate because it's square and it gets stuck on a step, and oh Lord. So yeah, just making sure the sucker didn't stop. Where am I going? Sammy, where was I going, honey? Do you know? Do you have any idea? No? Oh, anyway. I think I'm just driving around. Aimlessly driving around so I don't have to stop and be hot. Anyway, that's a cool thing, but she's still got that shoulder problem, right? And I am not going to be the cause of her shoulder getting hurt again, okay? No, it's not going to happen. So, I don't want her to hurt anyway, you know, but I don't want to be the cause of it. I think I'm going to make a U-turn. I'm not going to make a U-turn. I'm going to go in the parking lot, turn around, and come back out at the light. So don't get crazy. I missed the post office again. So I've got a list of chores to do. I used my notebook that somebody sent me. Yay, thank you. And I wrote a letter on another pad of paper that someone sent me. Yay, thank you. And I got some stuff in the other book. It's like a composition notebook someone sent me, and I got that. So I'm doing pretty good. So I'm going to make a list of everything that has to go in the mail tomorrow. My God, it's going in the mail tomorrow. I don't care if I have to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, you know, to get things ready. Oh, that's always good. A red gas can just sitting on the corner. Anyway. Well, I'm going to try and save some video in case I happen to get out on the back porch and able to do the solar before it gets dark and after it cools down. So I am trying. So I will be back. So take it easy. Take a long way home for this part of the video anyway. Bye. Hey guys, how you doing? I'm back. I made it, but we're not doing the solar panel right now. I've been waiting for it to cool off, and it's not doing it. So I just checked the weather, and it's 8 o'clock, and it's 82, but with the heat index, it feels like 87. I'm not gonna do manual labor and do all that stuff right now. I'm sorry, but apparently this whole week is supposed to be 20 degrees above normal, and without the heat index, it's going to be in the high 90s this week. So who knows if I'll ever get this done. But anyway, I kept busy. I got crocheting to do. I'm in the process of making more F-bombs. I finished that shawl last night. If I didn't have my pajamas on, I would show you, but I have them on, and you don't trust me. You don't want to know. Anyway, I'm thinking, what can I have for dinner? What can I have for dinner? And we had Chinese last night, so night before last. So I put it in. I got a little refrigerator down here. Yeah. Anywho, I said, oh, I'll have some rice, but I don't have the stove hooked up or whatever. So I said, oh, I'll get the thing Patty gave me, which is, let me put it back together, this little number. And it's electric. I don't know what the wattage is, but I plugged it in. I was going to use my, did you see something go behind me? Oh, that was weird. That was weird. Guys, let me know if you saw something black go behind me. Anyway, I was going to use my Hot Logic, but it's got the thing you plug into your cigarette lighter. So I have this for electric inside, I guess. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, there's this little, it comes like that, and it comes with a wide mouth mason jar, okay? And you put the mason jar in here with the lid on, but I thought, ooh, I'll put my leftover rice in there. I wonder if it'll work. I left it in there about, I don't know, half hour, 45 minutes. Piping hot. Oh, it was so good. So then I'm thinking I opened up a can of beef stew because I ran out of dog food for Sammy. So I got him some don't look at me like that, Sammy. I opened a can of beef stew for him, and I have a lot of beef broth. And I thought, oh, I wonder how long will it take to heat that up? Well, I'm sure it wasn't an hour, and I have to let it cool off before I can even. I took a bite of potato and almost burned my mouth. So if you have a chance, I don't know where she gets these or got this, but it's the greatest. I really love it. I don't know. It's called Nomad. food warmer. Nomad food warmer. That's cool. It's from Presto, so you might be able to look it up and see if you can find. I think it's great. So anyway, I got that done. So I'm going to be drinking my beef broth and continue crocheting, I guess. I made 4 of these today. I'm working on the last F. Where'd it go? Where did it go? Down on the floor. So, yeah, I am so crooked. And I don't mean, you know, do things against the law, but I'm crooked. So I had to like do an outline on here. So I think that looks straight by the time I get done with it. Who knows? So yeah. Anyway, let's see. What? What, honey? Well, are you gonna say something? No? Just gonna sit there and look at me? You wanna come over here? No. Rub my belly. Rub my belly, Mom. Rub my belly. Oh. Yeah, does that feel good? I gotta cut your nails. Yep, gotta cut the whole nails. All right, so that's about it. I got nothing else right now. We will get that solar thing done though. We're gonna do it. Yeah. Isn't that right, Sammy? Huh? Yeah. Okay, you guys, take it easy. Take the long way home.